Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all. I got a highly recommended video for y'all. People asking for more cash advance / payday loans. So I'm gonna give you my master list of 20 payday loans that you can go get today with no credit check. All you have to provide is some pay stubs. So as long as you have a job, even if you work at McDonald's, you could get yourself some money. So we're gonna try to go through this list. So get your pen and paper and let's get this started. First on the list is Ace Cash Express. Again, you got a job, you got some pay stubs, you could go get some money for them. Next on the list is Advance America, is another one that you could go grab some money. And no matter what I say or anybody say, I want you to do your own homework right here on Trustpilot. So any of these 20 that you see that you might like, before you move forward and do anything, go over to Trustpilot and see their reviews and see what people are saying. Please, I want you to do it the right way. Next on the list is gonna be Cash. Now you'll be able to go with them. Link will be in the description, and you could go get a payday loan, installment loan. If you have a car, you could put up your title of your car. It doesn't matter, but it has to be paid off. And this is the Check and Cash site right here. Check and Go is another one that you could go to. You could go grab some money, but if you're located in Pennsylvania, it is not available in Pennsylvania, and it has 4.5 stars, right? Next on the list is CashNet USA. You could grab money anywhere from $100 to $3,000. We understand there might be emergency. You might need some gas. You might have got a flat tire. And we all know issues come up. You might need some milk for your newborn baby. We don't know. It's a lot of issue. We understand people are struggling. You might need some cash. But no matter what, all 20 of these, I always tell you with these cash advance videos, these payday loan videos, that interest rate is going to be sky to the limit. So keep that in mind. If you get this loan, this might even put you in more debt. So please do your homework before you decide to take any money for any 20 of these that I'm going to be showing you, right? Next on the list is Speedy Cash. Now Speedy Cash, I did a video years ago on Speedy Cash, been around for a while. Again, if you want to look up the reviews with them before you move forward, and they have 4 stars on Trustpilot. All you got to do is look up Trustpilot, people, and you could go grab you some money. Now next on the list is Money Key. Money Key is another one that been around for a while, got 5 stars on Trustpilot, which is definitely good. But you know, with these payday loans, with these installment loans, you're gonna have some people that's happy, you're gonna have some people that's not happy. It just all up to you. Depends how much you need, if it's an emergency, if you could wait till your next payday, instead of getting these kind of loans with these high sky to the limit interest, right? Next on the list is Cash Store. Again, it's not available in Pennsylvania, and this one has 4 stars. So again, you want to look at some of these. If they have 3.5, 4 stars, it might be a little, might be a little shaky, might not be something that you confident in moving forward. This is why I always say do your own homework, right? Next on the list is Money Mutual. Money Mutual been around for a while. Again, got 5 stars. So again, you could do your own homework. You need some quick money, you could go over there and grab some. CashUSA.com. I did a full breakdown. You could get up to $10,000 with them again. Next on the list, we're gonna do Fast Loans. Fast Loans, you could get different amounts, 100 to 500, but you could get up to $50,000, and you will have to provide your checking account, bank statements, and they might want some other requirements, but you can get some cash with them, right? Next on the list is Big Buck Loans. Now I will have to say, honestly, out of all 20 of these, Big Loans is probably the best. You could get up to $5,000 with them, which is really good, right? Next on the list is Heart Payday, and you could get a good amount with them as well. That interest rate, let me just highlight this. Nobody come in the comments saying, hey, these is outrageous interest rate. This is why I always tell you, fix your credit, which is on my website that I'm giving you for free, so you don't have to run to payday loans. cash advance loans with interest like this up to 36%, right? Next on the list is Credit Clock. Credit Clock, again, high interest. You could get up to that $5,000. Next on the list is Lensonic. Now, Lensonic, you could download the app at the Apple Store or the Google Play, either or. You could get up to $5,000 with them. Again, please, I need everybody to do your own research before you move forward. Go on Trustpilot. Clover is another one. Probably Clover, I will have to say, is number 2 on my list behind Big Bucks. If you want to, you could download the app on Google Play and the App Store as well. Next on the list is Bluestream. Bluestream, you could get approved with absolute horrible credit. Doesn't even matter. You could get a loan up to $35,000, right? Next on the list, Payday.com. You could go to them if you're looking for some quick cash, man. Provide some pay stubs and go ahead and go get a loan, right? Next on the list is Advance America. Now, Advance America, through my research, I've did videos in the past with them. Now, I will have to say the limits is there, but that interest rate is to the moon. Keep in mind, this is why I told y'all about 6 months ago, I did not want to do any more videos on paydays and cash advance loans, because there's a lot of issues when you're trying to get loans like this, people. So just keep in mind, but I've been getting harassed in my email saying, please give me some more payday loans, some more cash advance loan videos. So I'm giving you 20, and this will be it for the year, right? So again, green dollar loans is another one. I did a full breakdown in the past. Again, do your own research, and just to let you know, you have to provide some documents again, because you'll be repaying back with your checking account. So you're gonna have to connect your checking account with them. So just to let you know, those are 20 loans that you could get today if you need some quick cash, emergency cash. I understand people are going through hard times, but you want to think things through before you start just applying for these kind of loans. You know, you need some emergency. Hey, I need $500. My tires are flat. But that $500 could probably hurt you 10 times worse than you just, maybe waiting to your next paycheck and maybe getting some used tires and things like that, man. You want to keep in mind, man, I'm going to give you the content, but it's up to you. I don't want nobody doing the wrong decision or making the wrong decision and getting into a loan that you cannot repay and might have to go in collection. We don't want that. So just to keep in mind that these interest rates are 20%, 25, 30%, 40%, 50%, and even over 100%. So keep in mind and do your own research before you move forward on any of these payday loans. Please, please, please. I'm giving you the information, but it's up to you to make the final decision, man. Get in the comments, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace. All those that's trying to fix their credit, I got the free credit repair ebook. This is my homepage. You can scroll right down. If you have a question, just drop me a line. Give me a couple hours. I'll get back to you. But if you want that free ebook, just go right to the store section right on top. Scroll right down. Let me click this for you so y'all can see this. You got your ultimate credit repair guide. Got the collection removal letters in there. Got the charge-offs, late payment inquiries, whatever you want to start working on your credit. You could download this ebook for absolutely free. For all those that's in the check system, I have that as well in there for free. I want to see everybody get to the next level. I'm bringing you these videos because I understand we have people on different levels down here, and down here. So I'm going to give you the content, but at the end of the video, I'm going to give you the best content that you can get. And that's this free ebook to start working on your credit. So you don't have to turn to lenders like that, payday loans and cash advance. You could actually go to the bank and actually get a real loan if you need to. So again, man, stay locked in. I want to see everybody win. It's 2026. Peace.